Good day, students. You are welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be looking at cell structure and functions of cell components. You all know that the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. And inside the cell, we have so many organelles. We are going to be looking at the structure of these organelles and their function. The cell is made up of the protoplasm. The protoplasm is composed of the cytoplasm and the nucleus. The first organelle we are looking at is the cell membrane. The cell membrane forms the outer covering of animal cell. It is made up of mainly proteins and lipids, and it is selectively permeable to material. It also protects the cell. Next organelle is the nucleus. The nucleus is centrally placed in animal cell. It is involved in storage of genetic materials, chromosome, and gene, and it controls all activities of the cell. Next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. They are oval or rod shaped, bounded by a double membrane, and the inner membrane is folded to form a structure called cristae, and they are the site of respiration, where energy is released from simple sugar. As I said earlier, it is described as the powerhouse of the cell. Next is lysosome. Lysosome, they are thin-walled and contain enzyme, and they are involved in digestion, waste removal, and transport of materials out of the cell. The next one is the vacuole. The vacuole is more centrally placed in plant cell, and the vacuole contains cell sap. It is also for storage, and the cell sap that is found in the vacuole acts as an osmoregulator in the cell. That is, it controls the salt and water concentration of the cell. The cell wall is majorly found in plant cell, and it is a tough, freely permeable, rigid structure in plant cell. It gives the plant cell shape and protection and also support, and it also allows passage of materials in and out of the cell. Next one is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum are membrane-like structures that form channels within the cytoplasm. It helps to transport materials like protein and lipids within the cell, and it is of two types. We have the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next is the ribosome. The ribosome are small round bodies attached to endoplasmic reticulum. They are responsible for protein synthesis in the cell. Next is Golgi Apparatus. They are series of disc-shaped sacs. They function in synthesis, packaging, and distribution of materials. Next one is chloroplast. Chloroplasts are found in the plant cell also. They are large green organelles in plant cell, and they contain chlorophyll, which means they are the site of photosynthesis in plants. The next one is the centrioles. The centrioles are two small granules near the nucleus of animal cell. They are involved in cell division. Now let's move to differences between plant and animal cell. The plant cell contains cellulose cell wall, while the animal cell does not have cellulose cell wall. The plant cell contains chloroplasts, while chloroplast is absent in animal cell. A large central vacuole is present in plant cell, while animal cell only have small vacuole which may be present or absent. The plant cell also contains starch granules, while there are no starch granules in animal cell. Instead, what we have is glycogen granules. Next one is cytoplasm is less dense and pushed towards the edge of the wall because of the vacuole in plant cell. While animal cell, the cytoplasm is dense and spread throughout the cell. In plant cell, centrioles are absent, while in animal cell, centrioles are present. Now, similarities of plant cell and animal cell. Both plant and animal cell have in common the following organelles. They both have cytoplasm, they both have nucleus, they both have mitochondria, they both have endoplasmic reticulum, they both have lysosome, they both have ribosome, they both have Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, they both have vacuole, they both have nuclear membrane, they both have nucleolus. And these are questions that you can go through and solve at your leisure time. You can pause the video and answer the question and put your answer in the comment section. I will be there to answer those ones that you find difficult.